Good day, everyone. As a small reference about what we studied before and what we will use in our curriculums this year, inshallah, for grade 7, we have to mention for the quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? Actually, quadrilateral is multi-sided closed shape consists of 4 sides. So any 4-side shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, we call it quadrilateral. It may be square, yes. May be rectangle, may be kite, okay. May be rhombus, and any other shape, trapezoid, okay, like the blue one, okay. All of these shapes we call it quadrilaterals. We want to study special case of quadrilaterals. It's very important, and we studied before and we'll study it later, inshallah. Okay. The special case is parallelogram and its special cases. We will study today the parallelogram and its special cases. What is a parallelogram? Actually, the parallelogram is a quadrilateral, has some properties. Okay, so parallelogram is like this shape exactly. So parallelogram is a shape near to this shape, but has the following property. Each two opposite sides are equal and parallel. That's it. What is the property of parallelogram? Properties of parallelogram. One, each two opposite sides are parallel and equal. So opposite sides are parallel and equal in measure. In length. This is the first property. Second, each two opposite angles are equal in measure. So this angle equal to this angle, and this angle equal to this angle. Okay? So each two opposite angles are equal in measure. Second. Third, the two diagonals bisect each other. What is the diagonals? Actually, the diagonals is connecting between two vertices which non-consecutive. Connecting between two vertices of the parallelogram but not consecutive. So we can connect if we call it A, B, C, D. The two diagonals are A, C, and B, D. This is the two diagonal of parallelogram. Okay? The two diagonal bisect each other. So this part equals this part, and this part equals this part. This is the meaning of bisect. So diagonals bisect each other. Okay. Fourth, the sum of two consecutive angle equal 180 degree. What is the meaning of consecutive? Angle A and B plus angle B are two consecutive, and their sum is 180. Angle B plus angle C are two consecutive, and their sum is 180. Angle C plus angle D are two consecutive, and their sum is 180, and so on. Angle D with angle A also are two consecutive angle, their sum is 180. This is the properties of parallelogram. I have some special cases of parallelogram. What is the special cases of parallelogram? First case of parallelogram is special cases of parallelogram. Okay. One of them, the first one, I have actually 5 special cases. We'll study today 5 special cases. And 5 we'll say it. Okay. First one is rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram, but have 2 additional cases. Rectangle is a parallelogram. As you see the rectangle, as you know, we can draw it like this. Okay. It has right angle. All its angles are right. And the 2 diagonal are exactly equal. So it has all the properties of parallelogram. With what? The 2 diagonal equal. Diagonal are equal in length. Second, all its angles are right angles, which is equal 90 degrees. All its angles is right angles. This is the property of parallelogram rectangle. What else? I have another one, which is called rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram, has the following property. This is the shape of rhombus. And this is the diagonals of rhombus. All its sides are equal and the 2 diagonal perpendicular. So 1, all sides are equal. 2 diagonals perpendicular. Okay. Third one is for square. Square considered as is a parallelogram. This is a square. Has most properties of all the special cases exist in parallelogram. In a square. Square has two diagonal. The two diagonal are equal and bisect each other. Has four right angle like rectangle. The two diagonal perpendicular like the rhombus. So square has all the properties of parallelogram. All the properties of rectangle. All the properties of rhombus. Okay? Okay. Last one is a trapezoid. We can draw it in this shape, or we can draw it like this one. It has only two parallel sides. Trapezoid has only what? Two parallel sides. Only has two parallel sides. So if I told you, give me a name of a shape, has all its sides are, each two pair sides are parallel, I can't call it parallelogram because each two opposite sides are parallel. Square. Oh, each two opposite sides are parallel. Rectangle. Rhombus. But we can't say it as a trapezoid because trapezoid has one pair only. Okay? Okay, another question. A shape has two similar sides and another two similar sides different as the following. If I have two sides with length 9 centimeter and the two sides with length 2 centimeter, we can call it what? Okay, two sides, each two opposite sides are equal. Okay, we can call it parallelogram. We can call it rectangle. Okay, but we can't call it square because square all sides are equal. Okay, okay. All a shape, all its angles are right. Right angle. What is this shape? We can call it rectangle. Yes. Also what? Square. Yes. So we'll find a question like this. And to here we have finished what we want to talk about for quadrilateral. So the quadrilateral, we call it the four-sided shape is a quadrilateral. We study the parallelogram and its special cases. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you. Bye.